Hello friends, let's solve another LeetCode problem. It's today's daily challenge, delete columns to make sorted. So let's go through the problem. In this problem, we'll be given an array of n strings, and the name of the array is strs, and all of the strings in that array would be of same length. Uh, so let's see few examples. So in the strs, we have say ABC, BCE, and CAE. Uh, In the problem statement, it says that these strings can be arranged in a grid ABC, BCE, and CAE, and then we'll have to compare the columns A, B, and C, which are in sorted order, and then B, C, and A. This is not in sorted order, hence we'll delete this column. And next C, E, E. This is again in sorted order. So we'll only since we have only deleted one column, so the output would be 1. Let's see few examples. So in the example we have CBA, DAF, and GHI, which can be arranged as follows: CBA, DAF, and GHI. So the first for the given words, the zeroth index would be C, D, and G, which is sorted. Then B, A, and H, it's not sorted, so we'll delete the one past index on a zero based index, and then AFI, which is again sorted, so output would be 1. Similarly, we have another one AB, which is not sorted, hence the grid looks as 0. Column 0 is the only column and is sorted. Yeah, it's sorted, so we'll be deleting. We won't be deleting anything since it's sorted. Similarly, in the last example, we have three strings, and when arranged in a grid, it looks like this. And here we can see all the strings are not sorted. So JWT is not sorted, YBS not sorted, XUR not sorted. Hence, all the three columns will be deleted. Hence, the output would be 3. So let's start. It's a, simple program. So let's read. Here we'll be taking two loops and to run through the indexes of the list as well as the indexes of the given word. Let's take two variables. Let's take s as length of strs, which is our length of array. Then we'll take one more variable, which is length of strs of 0, length of the word. Let's zoom it a bit so that take any of the loop, just okay. Let's keep a variable calls not in order. Here we'll count equals to 0. This would be our result, or we can rename it as result as 0. And we'll also take a flag equals to false. This will capture so the number of columns to be deleted. Flag. This flag will be using it for skipping the loop. To skip the loop. So whenever we have words with multi-letters words, so when we determine like say Z and W, so W comes before Z, but here Z and W is not sorted. So in that case, we don't need further to compare W and T. So in that case, we'll break the loop from there itself, and we'll start with the next index, which is Y and B. So for that reason, we'll be using the flag for I in range. So we'll take the range of n, that is the length of the word, and inside that we'll take another loop for j in range of s. So in here, instead of s, let's take 1 comma s, so that we'll be starting with 1, and we can always access the previous value as j minus 1. So here we'll compare. We have our data in strs. So strs of j minus 1, since we are starting from 1 instead of 0, so j minus 1 would be 0, j minus 1, and the then of I means of 0th index. So j minus 1 is the first element. If it's greater than of same thing, but instead of j minus 1, we'll use j. In that case, uh, the characters are not in order for the given column. So we'll increment our result, and we'll break the loop. But before breaking the loop, let's also set the flag as true. And since we already encountered a uh, anomaly in the sorting order, we can we don't need to continue for the same condition for the same character. What we'll do is we'll check this flag. If flag, then continue. We can use continue, or we can use pass. It means it will now increment I to the next number, and then we'll continue with the loop. So and again we have to reinitialize it here. Flag as false. Okay. And at the last we'll return our result. Let's run for few test cases. CBA, C, D, and G. The first is not sorted. First is sorted, C, D, G. B, A, H is not sorted. So one index will be deleted. A, F, I is sorted. Output 1 and expected is 1. Similarly for case 2, A, B sorted. So nothing to delete. For case 3, all three are not sorted, like Z, W, and T not sorted, deleted, Y, V, S not sorted, hence deleted, X, U, R not sorted, hence deleted. So here is the full solution. Thank you for watching.